class. So we were going to the chapter number 8 of a grammar book. These are and those are. So today we are going to continue with this chapter. And yesterday we have done some exercise on this chapter. I have explained you where we will use these and those. डिफरेंस भी बताया दिस एंड दैट से कैसे होता है. Now we'll continue with the exercise. So be ready with your pencil and eraser. Open page number 30. Second question. Look at the pictures and make sentences using these and those. Pictures को देखना है, फिर pictures को देख के you have to frame the sentences. आपको sentences बनाना है using these and those. So in the first line, what do you see? The picture of glass. So what you will write? Those are glasses. Glasses सेंटेंस के बाद में है. They are far. वन से दूर है, जो नंबर लिखा है उससे दूर है ना, तो we are going to use those. Those are glasses. Second, there are two cats. So and they are close to the number 2. So we will write these are cats. Now come to the third. Again the sailing boat is away from the number 3. 3 number से boat दूर है. So we are going to put those are boats. Or you can write those are ships. ठीक है? Come to the number 4. Now the picture is of parrots and the parrots are close to the number. Number 4 के close है parrots. तो what we will write? These are parrots. ये क्या है? Parrots हैं. Now number 5. There are 2 chairs and the chairs are away from the number 5. So what we will write? These are chairs. What are these? These are chairs. Sorry, those are chairs. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. It will be those are chairs. Those are chairs. Now the sixth one, the buses. And buses are close to the number 6. Then we will write these are buses. These are buses. Okay. Now come to the page number 31. And there is a question number 3rd. Let's revise the use of this, that, these, those. यहाँ पे आपको this, that, these, those ये चारों यूज़ करना है. कहाँ यूज़ करना है? You have to find out. You have to see the picture. You have to read the sentence and then you have to write कहाँ पे this होगा, कहाँ that होगा, कहाँ these, कहाँ those. Okay, number 1. Dash is my bat. Bat दूर है तो या तो that यूज़ होगा या those यूज़ होगा. Bat एक है और एक सिंगुलर के लिए what we use? That. That is my bat. Very good. Number 2. Vegetables are there और vegetable number 2 के close हैं. Dash are green vegetables. They अब या तो this होगा या these होगा. This सिंगुलर के लिए यूज़ होता है, these प्लूरल के लिए. तो यहाँ पे ढेर सारी वेजिटेबल्स हैं तो we are going to put these are green vegetables. Number 3rd. Dash is a house. Is again a singular. We will put that is a house. Number 4 is a dustbin. Dash is a dustbin. Dustbin number के close है तो या तो this होगा या these होगा. What will write? This is a dustbin. Because dustbin एक है, it is in singular form. So there will be this is a dustbin. Now next come to 5. There are 2 tigers and they are far from the number 5. So either we will use that or these. So here we are going to use tigers are in the plural form. So we will use those. Those are tigers. Okay. Now this is the fun time. These are my favorite cartoon characters. Color them in, please. Okay, now what you have to do, complete the book, complete this chapter, complete this exercise, and then enjoy your fun time. Take out colors and start coloring your favorite cartoons. After coloring it, start posting it on the group. Then I'll do the correction. If anyone has any problem anywhere, कोई चीज़ नहीं समझ में आ रही है, मैम से तुरंत पूछ लेंगे.